Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I received so many emails from you and I realized that so many of you are struggling in the speaking part. So today I'm just going to do a short lesson where I will teach you how you should do correctly the first question in the speaking part. And the first question is called read aloud, and you will get the sentence, which is going to be 3 to 4 lines long, and you will get 6 to 7 questions like that, and they are worth 5 points each. And in this question you are getting scored in speaking part, and you're also getting scored in the reading part, and you are able to get 3 points from each question that goes to reading. So if you are struggling with reading, you should do very well in this question, and you will get 25 to 30 seconds to prepare, and in that preparation time you should read the sentence to yourself aloud. A lot of people read it in their head, and that's a mistake, because in a real when you will be answering the question, you're answering it aloud. So it's very important that you read it to yourself aloud, and if you see the words that you're not sure how to pronounce, then you should repeat those words 2 or 3 times to yourself, so that you will be confident when you will be reading. So then you will hear the beep and you need to start immediately, because if you don't start in 3 seconds, after 3 seconds the microphone will shut off and you won't be able to do it at all, which means that you won't get any points. So when you hear the beep, start reading it straight away. And what is very important to do well in this question is that you need to read it fast, because computer is counting words per second. So they give you 40 seconds to answer this question, but you should never use more than 25 seconds. So before the test, please practice at home and check your time, because ideally you should be able to read the sentence in 18 seconds. Pronunciation is important, but it's better to mispronounce some words, but just keep the right flow, you know, the fast flow, instead of doing pauses and hesitations, because you will lose points for that. And also make sure that you speak fast, you have a good flow, and you don't say your words separately. Make sure that you are connecting your words correctly, because if you don't, then you will lose your points in oral fluency and pronunciation. So these are the most important things to do well in this question. Speak fast, avoid pauses and hesitations, and make sure that your flow is great. And don't stress too much if you mispronounce, or if you don't know how to pronounce some words. Just make it up and just keep a good flow. So I hope that this will help you to do well in at least the first question. And if you have some more questions about this particular task, please leave it in the comments below, and keep sending me your scorecards so I can send you the comments. Have a good day, guys.